weather.
It's currently windy and 42 degrees.
That's beautiful. 42 degrees and windy. How does this sound to you? I'm shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and I have Pro setting on, and I got my usual video mode now, 1/200 over 8,000, and my EV on a -0.07 with the sharpness, which is texture, -2, video noise reduction 0, auto white balance, stability scene select on daily. Whew. What else do I have to say? No microphone. No, I did not lie to you. I just said no microphone. And this one is with the DJI Mic 2 without noise canceling. Well, we're having a nice walk, a nice talk, and I gotta get to some place at the moment. So that's why the camera's with me, to share that talk. Mushrooms, holy cow, they're nice. I haven't seen those mushrooms before, maybe because they weren't lit up. And the thing is, the solar panel wasn't working. Sweets. Not many stores are open, just one or two. I wonder why. What type of business do you have? Are you into weights? You think you could lift that? How about a little scooter? Oh, why didn't you take your scooter, Fish? I don't know if I could bring it in or put it there. I didn't want to lock it up, but I could use the walk. You need a scooter? How about it, Santa Claus? That's a statue of a black cat. I'm not a fan of the winter sun because I gotta constantly do this. Block that sun out of my eyes, man. Maybe it's bothering you in the camera's view. Not me. This last update to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, just basically took the DJI Mic 2, made it come on a lot longer than it was supposed to. Unbelievable. Just how things in technology cannot work together hand in hand. You're on standby, it's on standby, but yet you can't communicate. I don't know if anybody knows that or wants to share that to the world, but at least we get the video out and you have some type of audio. So all my short clips probably were cut off. Well, I'm not on the mic now and I'm near where I need to be at. I'm gonna put you in the pocket, away. We'll get you out a little later on my return visit with the sun in your eyes, not mine. All right, I did what I had to do, got it done, and out we go. Now, yeah, the sun's still on the blinding side, so rather be on the left. It's on my right. Christmas tree. Oh, man. So, yeah, what has Christmas done for you? Did it give you what you wanted? Shared what you wanted to share with people? I hope I shared enough fun for all. But there's always a lot of fun out there. You know what? I think I'm gonna put you away and enjoy the rest of my walk. Maybe this house will be ready by spring. Did a nice job, got nice lighting on it. Very beautiful house indeed. That's how windy it is. Garbage cans blowing in the street. All right, we got the officials up ahead. Probably checking out a car, getting ready to tow. I respect, wish the happy holidays as I pass, and I'm not putting a camera on somebody's face where it may be disrespectful. Well, that's it for me. I'm out of here. I got my mic turning you off, and I got my DJI Osmo Action Fun Pro for today.